The financial support for FERF allows the staff to do research that is independent and that is very appropriate for current issues going on in the financial world. I personally find value in a number of the surveys, whether it be reading about how other companies are addressing the revenue recognition issue, what other companies are paying for audit fees, and of course, the compensation survey that's done annually. Really a couple levels of participating in FERF. Number one is to financially support FERF, but the second level, which everybody who's a member of FEI can participate in, relates to responding to questions on the surveys. It's important for members to respond to those survey questions because obviously the research is only as good as the feedback. So I strongly encourage other members in our chapter to participate and respond, and I personally respond. The valid data that comes out of the research from FERF allows me to present that information to our audit committee, which helps to validate what we are doing as a company. So given the fact that we are in this constantly changing world, it's critical that we have this source of new information so that as a profession, we can uphold the standards we've been known to uphold and can continue to move forward to build trust in our investors.